Hey guys, I'm Cyborg Sheep, and welcome to the Weekend Post. And in this video, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls! Oh yeah! Arrma Typhon, 550 mega, 8 scale. Now, I could spend hours looking at the outside of the box, but let's face it, you guys don't want to see that. You want to see me open up this cool new RC that I got. So, cue up the time lapse, let's get this thing opened up. Oh man. Take a look at this. Oh yeah. Oh man, got some gravity to her. Ugh. Nice. Now this is going against what I had initially intended to do. Multiple times over, I might add. I won't be getting into all the ways that that is the case. However, I will mention that I already have an RC car that works flawlessly. Flawlessly, however, has a huge asterisk next to it though. The RC car project that I have here is expensive electronics hacked into a cheap frame. Now this mixture does work on asphalt, but run it over some rough terrain or give it some big air and it turns into a giant cartoon clock explosion. Now, this thing is a different story. Even before we take the top housing off. Oil-filled shocks. Differentials. All-wheel drive. Every axle. Drive shaft there, right there, right there. This thing is just gonna be a killing machine, man. Additionally in the box, you got the transmitter right here. You got some documentation, which nobody needs. You got some parts here, looks like. Oh yeah. Perfect. Okay, that's nice. And yes, the slow charger for the nickel metal hydride battery. So this is the first thing that I'm gonna get into here. So let's get to fixing this. Alright, we'll get the battery all charged up, and we'll stick it onto the car and see how it runs. Alright then, battery's all charged up, receiver's loaded right full of AA's. Let's take this thing out for a spin. Wow, dude, this thing freaking shreds. Ain't no train this thing can't take on. I'm gonna have more driving footage of this in the future, but I think for now, this is gonna be awesome. Anyways, guys, I think that's gonna be just about it for right now. Still much more to come on this car. So much more to come on this car. Subscribe so you don't miss that. Hit that like button if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.